iNingizimu Afrika yanqoba lo mqhudelwano ngo-1996. Izinkakha zeBafana u-Edward Mogens Mutale kanye noMark Williams babe seqenjini eladla umhlanganiso. Lezi zinkakha zidonse ngendlebe abadlali beBafana ngokuthi ukuze banqobe lo mqhudelwano kumele bashaye amagoli futhi bakholelwe kubona.
We stick to instructions and mostly discretion because we had so many talented players in our squad. So everything was much easier. And it was a big bag. Remember, it was internationals.
I think that the first game is very important. You know, if you get the result there, that just puts a lot of confidence in the team, in the players.
Kumanje uSamuel Eto'o nguyena osahamba phambili ngokushaya amagoli amaningi kulo mqhudelwano, nakube sewabeka ekuthala amakhokho ngo-2010 kuya ku-2018, kanti unamagoli ayi-18 ku-Afcon. Kanti igoli elishesha kunawo wonke elashaywa ngumdlali waseGibhithe u-Emin Mansour lalikade lingu-23 second bedlala neGabon ngo-1994. Kusenjalo iqembu lesizwe lilifulathele lakuleli kuyoba ingxenye ye-Afcon ka-2024 njengoba livaleliswe ngomcimbi osezingeni eliphezulu esikhumulweni sezindizi OR Tambo. Ukapteni weqembu Ronan Williams wamukele iflag lakuleli edluliselwe kuyena umbutho wamaphoyisa ukuthi bayazigqaja ngalokhu futhi bazimisele ngokujabulisa izakhamuzi zakuleli.
You know, it's an amazing feeling receiving the flag on behalf of the players. This represents the over 50 million South Africans, you know, so we'll carry this with pride and we'll go out there and make sure we make everyone proud.
Hugo Bruce uthi uyakholelwa kubadlali bakhe.
I believe in those guys. I work with them already, let's say, some of them nearly 2 years and a half. I know the qualities of them. And from one side, it's not so bad that people are doubting. When I went with the Cameroon to Gabon 2 years and a half, 6 years ago already,
Time flies.
They told what they are going to do.
Lo mqhudelwano uzovula ngokusemthethweni kusasa, kanti osokhaya bazovula ngomdlalo neGuinea-Bissau ngehora leshumi ebusuku. I-Ivory Coast yengeze ngokwakhe ezinye izinkundla ezine emadolobheni amakhulu akulelizwe ngomyalelo weCAF uma uzosingatha lemidlalo. I-Afcon izokuba isisingathwa i-Ivory Coast okwesibili, kanti izwe elisingethe lo mqhudelwano izikhawu eziningi iGibhithe njengoba isisingethe lo mqhudelwano amahlandla 4, kanti sanqobe indebe yawo amahlandla 7.